Okay, the 4 F15s are finally moving to depart Mildenhall.
Wait, come back, please. Eliza.
XB Charlie, hold short, 1 Charlie. Two from spots 18 and 26, request taxi with Delta. Cleared. 51 heavy plane, hold position for trail in progress on Bravo. And departure. No. Yeah, it looks like they're putting the chalk back in. They're telling me to get, they're going to respin my gear, and it looks like they're going to expect to get pulled down in Muir. Like we're going to do arming in Muir. Well, me and number 2 are armed. That is not the case. They should be arming you right there. Down there. I don't see anybody down here.
Maybe 2 of them have moved.
We're going to arm you down there. Probably send people up. Stand by, number 2. Tell them to arm you up.
They're being asked, they want to be armed.
Give away. Yeah, 155. Transfer spot right there.
Is my scanner going bonkers?
All ground. It's on at 2 and 3. Charlie North, but the taxi 2 with information. With needed to NS7843. 1160 Alpha Valley. 35 Alpha. Charlie Alpha. So to be verified, this will be a 2-ship departure. Negative, we're departing as a 4-ship. 662 minutes. Effective Charlie. 662 Boston Lane 119 Charlie. Moving on around 971.
Other 2 are moving now.
What? Yeah. That'll help.
Wait on a tow, and also there's a C-130 that's finally turning into Charlie.
Oh yeah.
Roger that. 31 Team Spot 18, you can taxi forward and hold short of aircraft Charlie.
Put all film effects on it as well while you shoot.
Quid. 3-1. So 3-3, hold position. Identify contact will be 3-0. So, flight taking off the side of my aircraft, looking at your charge. 661, Roger, plus 21, Charlie. We'll give way to towing aircraft, correction case 135 down Bravo. Airport 135 moving backwards.
2 packs crossing the
Or if not, we can execute a opposite direction takeoff.
Oh yeah. Thank you for coming around as well.
It's all go at the same time, look.
On reaching the park rest. 21 copies, and we can make a new 480 on the runway if required. Who does corporate? 21, cleared out of the runway, the back taxi, runway 11.
Yeah.
To runway 29. And Graham squid 33, we're going to apply to 2, follow squid 31, looks like taxi. And we have the towing side, looks like they just backed into the spot.
This is going to be the manhole.
Right, here we go.
That tow operation looks like it's pretty much complete. So request to continue taxiing from Charlie and pick up our quid 33 as number 2 is. Quid 31 heavy approved as requested. Quid 3. We'll win at Bravo, contact there. We'll short 11 at Bravo, switching tower, reach 127.
Okay, so there's 4 on the runway now.
Marking will be at hard stand 59. 59. Runway 11 at Bravo, holding short. Runway 11 at.
What are they doing? They're going to go from that end. So they've changed the runway, have they? Odd. So these seem to be backtracking. Anyway, meanwhile. Okay, so they are coming towards us. Well, that's better. Yeah. I'm happy with that.
If you want, I'll do that. If you're 180, and then back to the budget. So they haven't received any word from you yet. Yep, that's the one. We're working on the plan right now. I wonder if we can get into start power suppression before that. Before negative. That's the one.
Oh, what? The Hercules in front of the tower's got its tail down. The ramp. So there people are going to go in there.
F15s turned.
Alright, excellent, okay. So F15s are actually going to take off towards me. They've change the runway now. Time is 1:47 p.m.
Frequency and squawk. So we're still waiting at squawk, and the flight frequency is going to be 250.3. That's right. North Charlie, ready for taxi, start for parking. Roger, thank you. Sorry, I'm there. Delta Holster, only 11 at Delta.
Okay, they've all turned now, they're all ready.
1 minute, 1, 2, clear for takeoff, station 1.
Yeah. And the Hercules are moving as well. Because they're all going at the same time. Oh look, 2 more tankers are coming out. We've got 2 more KC-135s coming out as well. So 3 tankers are about to go off. Oh, here we go, F15s. Just gone out. Third one's just gone out. Right, hope you enjoyed that. Leave a like if you like that, subscribe to me, look at all my other videos.